Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLE 400 4MATIC. This one is a Selenite Gray. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 329 horsepower and 354 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys, black interior, sunroof. Come around back, trailer hitch, GLE 400 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this comes with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, lane keep assist, Harman Kardon sound system, anthracite poplar wood trim, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE 400 has 41,944 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 400 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.